Hi, chat. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? Man, let me tell you that that intro song with the lyrics. Do I have audio? Yeah. Man, it's bad, huh? It's not very good, is it? I gotta put it to work. It's Sonic Racing. Not good, but the game's good, so we'll take it. It's the trade-off. The game's good. That intro song maybe not great. I do like the dun 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 dun. I like the actual like theme of the game. I just think that the song is not very good. Hi Lucas. Hi Angry Biscuit. Hi everyone. We're playing more Sonic Racing because of course we are. It's good. I like playing it. I like driving my little Sonic the Hedgehog car. And, I don't know. It's good game, man. It's good game. It's crazy. This was revealed to me, the last stream we did on Tuesday, that this game's made by Sonic Team. I can't wrap my head around that. The idea that Sonic Team put out Shadow Generations, which is good, and then have put this out, and it's good. When is the last time Sonic Team has released two good games back to back? Is the answer Sonic Adventure 2? I guess it depends on how you feel about Sonic Heroes, but because, like, you know, I'm thinking like, oh, what about Sonic Rush Adventure? Well, that was Dimps, wasn't it? That wasn't even Sonic Team, was it? We may be back. Sonic Team might be goated again. And I want to say, while I was gone, they did it. The Mega Man stuff was announced yesterday. I think that rules. I think having the Rush Roadster for Mega Man Battle and Chase be the car is so good. Why did I just lose game audio? Oh, okay. I think that's so good, and I'm really excited about that. Like, I think the two franchises that Sonic goes hand in hand with is John Mario and John Man of the Mega Man. So I think it's dope. My only wish is that Bass were in it. No, I'm good on that. I'm a hater. I'm not a hater. I don't give a shit about Bass. Just don't give a fuck. I wish Roll was in it. I wish, yeah, like Roll would be nice. Or I would even take X. But I understand, like, Sonic has a history with classic Mega Man, not Mega Man X, so that's fine. I wish Tron-Bonne was in it. Tron-Bonne would be a great fit. Legitimately. But that would, not only does this require Capcom to acknowledge Mega Man, but that would require Capcom to acknowledge Mega Man Legends, something they will never do. It's gotta be coming, right? We gotta, what other Mega Man sub-series is there to collect at this point? They can't, what are they gonna do? A collection of the Game Boy Mega Man games? I guess. What are they gonna do? Put Mega Man 1 and 3 on DOS? Probably not. The next Mega Man collection has to be Legends, right? They can't just not do that, right? Right? I guess we'll see. So, okay, so not only are we getting Mega Man, but I need to confirm if this is true. I gotta do some confirmation here. So Mega Man leaked because people were getting the game early, cracking it open, and there was like, hey, Mega Man's coming. Ad in it. I need to see something. I need to confirm. Okay, there's only one image of this online. No, this is falsified. Unless the back of the Japanese case is different than the back of the American case. But someone on Reddit, I don't think this is real. Someone on Reddit posted a picture and was like, hey, case leaks. Here's the back of the case. And on the back of it has Jorker and Ichiban, and also has Nights from Nights into Dreams. But I can't find any other picture other than this one Redditor. So I'm not trusting that. I don't trust like that. Because the Japanese box doesn't have Nights on the back of it. So I'm not going to trust like that. But if Nights is real and we're getting Nights as one of the free characters, that would be crazy. That would be dope. Legitimately, that would be sick. And I'm not, even if that leak is fake, I still think that could happen because it's Nights. Nights is in the game, but yeah, I don't know. My microphone stand is dying. I'm finally on the last legs of this thing. So if at some point you're watching the stream and my microphone goes boom, it's because the stand is I think finally wearing out. So Peepo Monkey. Anyways, chat, how are you? How's everyone doing? Before we start racing, we're gonna start off, Lucas, if it's all right with you. I'm gonna start off with some single player. I want to unlock the last Grand Prix. So I'm gonna start with that, and then if we've got some time later, and if you're interested, Lucas, maybe we'll do some race park. We'll just play online. A lot of stuff to unlock. Okay. But how's everyone doing? It is it's a rainy Thursday here in Pennsylvania. It's actually, it rained so much, and that rules, but it rained so much that there's talks of this Saturday is a big football game for us here in town, and they're talking like, is this gonna ruin it? Like, this is the first big game of the season. Is this gonna ruin it? To which my response is, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit in an ass of a fuck. But I had people at work today be like, what do you think? What do you think's gonna happen with the game on Saturday? The rain, how's that gonna affect everything? And I'm like, I'm gonna be playing Sonic Racing. Thank you. I'm gonna be driving my Motobug car as Shadow the Hedgehog. Thank you very much. Will definitely benefit you to finish the Grand Prix stuff. Okay, so we'll do that. Let's start with that. Let's get cooking on that. And then from there, we'll see where we go the rest of the night. Yeah, I'm gonna keep rocking this build. I like this build. No.
Let's begin.
Now, I'm gonna assume that I have to win at all the Grand Prix, and I did not win at the Boom Boo Grand Prix. So let's start there and go with it. I've been hearing time trial modes do. Am I okay? I've been hearing that time trial mode is dope. And I was looking at the achievements because it's a Sonic the Hedgehog game. So I'm like, I want to 100% it. And a lot of those achievements are based on time trial mode. So I am going to have to get good at this game eventually.
I've heard tales of your legendary power.
That's what this guy sounds like?
Finishing your legacy.
You couldn't even handle Sonic. You're not worth my time.
That's what Zavok... I thought he was gonna be like... I'm evil. I'm so evil. He just sounds like a guy. He just sounds like a dude. Oh, I don't remember how to play the game. Oh, I'm panicking. I don't remember how to play the game. Oh, I've been killed. Okay, so the bumping off of enemies gadget might not have been my smartest move, but you know, life goes on. Thanks, good work, Laser Wisp. What the fuck was that?
I command the race.
All right, we're all right. We're all right. Okay, that was a waste, but we're all right. We're good, baby. We're good, baby. We're good, baby. We're good, baby. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a billionaire. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a billionaire. How he just said damn. Why do I get really excited at the idea of Sonic the Hedgehog characters saying cuss words? I guess that's what happens when your favorite Sonic game as a kid was Shadow the Hedgehog. They should let them say harder cuss words though. I'm just saying. I think if Amy said fuck. Oh shit. Uh-oh. He's throwing for content? Cut across. Cut through. Holy shit, he's good. Holy shit, he's good.
Ultimate victory.
I could see Amy letting a fuck fly. Yeah, wouldn't that go hard? Wouldn't, like, at the end of SA2, Eggman, like, drops the thing down on Sonic? And Amy just goes, oh, fuck you. The one where he pumped an AR? Hell yeah. That was my listen, as a kid, all I had was a PlayStation 2. So I had Sonic Heroes and I had Shadow the Hedgehog. And neither of them are very good, but man, did I like them when I was a young babier.
Well done, but it's not over.
What? This guy sucks. I hate this guy. Is it a hot take to hate Zavok? Isn't it cool that the Deadly Six are like supposed to be the Sonic version of the Koopa Kids, and they just suck? Unlike the Koopa Kids who rule.
Sloppy.
The Koopa Kids do kind of suck, right? But especially in Mario Kart 8, where like each one of them had their own unique flaw, and people got real mad about that. But I like the Koopa Kids well enough. Even if like 2 or 3 of them basically have the same design. But they've got Roy, and I like Roy. And I like Morton. And I like Wendy. Roy is more interesting of a character than any of the Deadly Six.
How can it end like this?
Us Roy faithful. Oh my god, the height on that. If there wasn't an invisible ceiling, that would have been sick.
I should use this.
Yeah, no shit, Shadow. But we're saving it for clutch. Oh, I fucked up? Okay, I don't like that I can't use items as defensive items sometimes. I want to be able to do that more. Okay, I'm going for this red ring. Thank you. Got his ass. Drop that there. Very like obvious in the way, but like, you know, it might be all right. Drop that there. Okay, hold on to that shield. Don't let it go. Oh, I just switched side drift hard. Chat, I hate to say it, but I might be getting good at the game. Or at least, hey, I'm getting better. I'm not driving into the walls all the time. I'm getting used to a build. That's a good feeling. The only 2 Deadly Six whose designs I actually like are never put in these games. Which 2? I'm gonna guess the depressed guy and the girl. One time on Radical Highway, the game counted me as out of bounds because I somehow went too high up over the track. What the hell? That sucks, but also that's hilarious. How'd you get high enough? I don't like the depressed guy. The big fat one and the green girl. Yeah, I hate the fat guy, and I don't care about the girl. I think all of their designs are generic as fuck. Listen, man, I've owned Sonic Lost World on Steam for like a decade and have still never felt compelled to play it. Even at my peak Sonic fan, I've never felt am I okay? I don't know the English language tonight. Like that was really sloppy, but I also wasn't really trying, so. Why does he have such a generic voice? I forgot that Kyle is it Urber? Fuck. Is Big the Cat now? Which is kind of funny to me. You know, because Big's original voice was John St. John, who's Duke Nukem. So we got Dookie Nukie into Big the Cat, and now we have Ryu from Streets into Big the Cat. I think that kind of rules. He's also Gohan, which I never knew he was Gohan. I just always knew him as Ryu from Streets. Like, I don't think it was intentional to, like, hey, let's get another, like, cool, macho, like, video game protagonist voice actor to play Big the Cat. I don't think that was an intentional choice, but it is funny that it happened again. Let's get another badass to be Big the Cat. Fuck! Uh-oh, I'm gonna lose this one. Go. Go, 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 go! Don't, please, God, no! Oh, it's just a Dark Child. Okay. Okay, we're all right. I thought I was about to get Gak attacked. I thought I was about to get hit with that Nickelodeon slime. Next time I watch the Kids' Choice Awards, I'm gonna have PTSD. Hey, when's the last time you watched the Kids' Choice Awards? Remember that year that Katy Perry got her brains blown out on stage? And it, like, actually, like, medically fucked her up for the rest of her life? All right, okay. We just gotta lock in and win this one.
Your efforts shall be in vain.
Hate this guy. He's like the Walmart potato salad of villains. I remember when Sonic Lost World was like, before it came out, I remember it might have been E3. There was like I don't know, man, was it GameSpot or IGN? I'm not really sure, but they were like interviewing about the development of it, and the guy they were interviewing was some white guy. And I was like, oh, okay, that's why this game isn't Sonic Generations 2. It's not made by Sonic Team. Unaware to the concept that white people could make a Sonic the Hedgehog game. Unaware to the idea that, like, Mark Cerny worked on Sonic 2, you know, like. This is not going good for me, but I can catch up. We can fix this. I have faith. I'm getting kind of good at that switch inside drift. That's nice. Don't. Fuck! Okay, this is fine. We can. It's not over. You missed. Hey, dumb ass. You missed. I didn't.
How can it end like this?
Because I'm a good. Because I'm all swagged up. Oh, we got it. Oh, we got it. You love to see it. Wait, no! Please, 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 please.
Never any doubt.
Woo! I'm okay. Felt real, genuine fear course through my body. All right.
How humiliating.
Okay, now delete this guy from the game. I want a mod that erases that guy.
A foregone conclusion.
Okay, next. Do we want to keep playing as Shadow? Do I have any reason to not play as Shadow? Fuck it. Shadow supremacy. I already saw him yell at Charmy, and I think I lost to Charmy, so I'm gonna go with Sage because I haven't seen Shadow and Sage. Oh, did I not win at this one either? Okay, fuck it. Sad you didn't trash talk Jet with the green glove hit. I like Jet. I'm only gonna say nice things.
We are both creations of the Robotnik lineage. Would you consider us family?
Aww.
I've put that part of my history behind me. I live for myself. You should do the same.
Whoa. That's a good interaction. Holy shit. I'm so happy Sage exists. I think Sage is legitimately a really good addition. I'm maybe not like the hugest fan of how simple her design is, but I also think it works. I also think it's fine. It feels like the canon version. You remember whenever Mania came out? The like spider boss. Everyone thought it looked like Eggman had like it was like a little girl piloting it, and so there was like a OC of like Robotnik's like daughter or niece or something. Sage feels like the canon version of that concept of like what if Eggman had his own Maria, or you know what I mean. Eggman, you know what I mean. Maria to Ivo, Sage to Maria to Gerald. You know what I mean. Thinking make me not race good cars. Okay, all right. Time to hit this child with a boxing glove, as God intended. Oh, fuck! I don't even know what just happened. Please no. Please. Please, I have to win. Please, you don't understand.
They are defying the odds.
Please, my livelihood depends on this. There's a Twitch Rivals in this game tomorrow. This is the only way I can get in. Please. I have to be able to play with Ninja. Please.
Never any doubt.
Never noticed the game shows who's in first at the end of that last crossroad? Yeah, on the big monitor. Yeah. Yeah, that's dope. Yeah, I didn't know there was a Twitch Rivals of this game. I think in tomorrow until I got an email from Sega that was like, "Hey, Sonic Racing Crossworlds is out now." Kinda. Anyways, it's out now, but there's a Twitch Rivals tomorrow, and I was like, "Okay, can I get in?" I like Sonic. I played Sonic on Twitch, so I don't know if there's like a Twitch VP watching. If John Twitch. What was Twitch before Twitch? What was it called? John TV? No, what was it called? Tyler TV. What was it called? I can't remember what it was. Justin TV. Okay, if Justin's watching this stream, Justin, invite me to the Twitch Rivals. I'm going to kill Tails. Would you watch? Okay, Justin TV. It's like, yeah, that's a. You know what? I would go on that site to watch people play video games. That's a fine name. Tyler TV. I would not be going to Tyler TV. I'm not going to that website, dude. I don't care how good the COD trick shot compilations are. I'm not going to Tyler.tv. I might have just wasted that shield. Wow, that's unfortunate. Come here.
They are defying the odds.
Oh no! Is King Boom Boo, is that the blue shell of this game? I think so. Okay, good blue shell. Hey, you know what? Good blue shell equivalent. Because it actually hurts the people behind first too. So that's actually, yeah, that goes hard as fuck actually. It's dope.
All models predict defeat.
Uh-oh. Omochao, please help me, Omochao. No! Omochao, help me! Omochao!
Finish!
Embarrassing.
This is the worst day of my life. The weights target both first and second. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Noted. And you can use the shield and stuff. Yeah, that's nice. But 3 first. This is gonna be tight. Why is my hand sticky? Fuck it, I'll do it without items. I don't even need items. I can't wait for Minecraft Steve to drop.
They are defying the odds.
Galactic Parade!
Wow, wow, big whiff. Okay. All right, I got this. I'm locked in. We're doing really good, and I'm locked in. So we got this. I think this is in the bag. Cool. Offensive item. That's good. So we can clinch last second if we need to. No, please stay away. Please stay away. Please, my wife and kids, please. How do I get to that red ring? I will discover. Please, 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 please. We're good. I wish some DLC could have multiple vehicles, specifically for TMNT. Yeah. I agree. I think the DLC being one car per is kind of lame, because like with Mega Man you could have the Rush Roadster, but you could also have Rush Jet. You know, that's a whole ass board. I think that would be nice. So I agree. Or yeah, like an Extreme Gear board for like the Ninja Turtles would be nice.
Overclocking systems. Failure is not an option.
I'm going to kill a child. Personally, like, we've talked about this, I think, every stream I've done in this game so far, but the thing I want most is more Sonic characters or Sega characters. The Nickelodeon stuff doesn't really do it for me that much. And like having Pac-Man and Mega Man is cool, and Minecraft, but it is like, okay, I want Sega characters. I want the Bonanza Bros, you know. I want Beat. I want Axel. I want Majima. Come here, you motherfucker. Hey, you motherfucker, come here. I don't know how to get up there to the left, and I'm gonna spend my whole life wondering, why did I do that? No, you can't do this to me. I'm innocent. Sorry, we still have a whole other lap. Yeah, ooh la la would be nice. Give me Choo Choo Rocket, please. Give me Jerry Choo Choo and his little rocket, please.
They are defying the odds.
Is Defying the Odds? That's like a Sonic Frontiers reference, right? I just don't remember Sonic Frontiers well enough to be like, oh, that's an explicit reference. But I'm sure at some point she says Sonic's defying the odds or
You
something.
have been surpassed.
Bye-bye. I win. Bye-bye.
Ultimate victory.
I have failed.
You delete your own system 32. Sorry, is that mean to say to the AI daughter?
Now you understand I am peak perfection.
I am peak. That's insane, is it? But that one was too mean. Current Shadow voice actor is growing on me. Yes. Shadow Generations made me go like, okay, this guy's good. Because all I had really known of his Shadow voice was Sonic Generations. The first time he played Shadow, and the classic you can do it, Sonic. I remember thinking in in Shadow Generations, like, oh, he's really good. Oh, shit. No, I have to go against Sonic.
Nice.
I need to, please say something about Faker. Please say something about, please. I can't wait. I can't wait.
I didn't think you knew how to have fun. What's the occasion? I relish any chance to surpass you. Prepare for a humiliating defeat.
Man, what the fuck is up with Sonic's model? Man, why does Sonic look like shit?
Now's my chance.
Oh man, I missed that red ring so hard. That was not even like a hard red ring to get. What? Oh, it's the ice. Oh, okay. All right, that explains a lot. Kill that guy. Sorry, Metal. I love Metal Sonic. I wish they let Metal Sonic speak again. This series' commitment to like this character is just mute now is baffling to me. So I like yeah, I don't know. I like the Sonic OVA because he's silent. Oh fuck! He's silent in the Sonic OVA, right? He just goes. He's like boo 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 boo. But yeah, you know what? Okay, all right. Metal Sonic should be silent, but then you put Neo Metal Sonic in, and he should be able to talk. Where the fuck is Neo Metal Sonic? I always thought a compelling Sonic game story could just be about all the different robot Sonics. I always thought it could be interesting of like Silver Sonic and Metal Sonic and Neo Metal Sonic and then Mecha Sonic and Mecha Sonic Mark II. All the artificial Sonics. And Metal Knuckles. And Tails Doll. And Jesus. And the robot Shadows. No, please.
Now's my chance.
No! You gotta be kidding me.
Of course.
That's fine. We'll, you know what? We'll take the L on that one. That one's okay. We'll get him next time. There's just so many robot Sonic characters. I feel like it'd be cool to see them either fighting each other or, I don't know, teaming up or something. You know what I mean? I think there's a compelling idea for a story in there. Throw in some gem roll. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. What the fuck is happening right now? Yeah, I love Metal Sonic. Oh, bye, Red Ring. No, don't take me to Haluska.
I'll set the pace. Not bad, not bad.
I just... Okay, Shadow's voice actor is growing on me, but as I get older, you know, it's been like 15 years. Roger Craig Smith is Sonic. I'm still just like, yeah, it's not Sonic though. Yeah, but that ain't Sonic though. Like, I think Roger Craig Smith rules. I think he's a great voice actor. He seems like a cool dude. I think he's a good actor.
Maximum power.
I've just never liked his Sonic. I've never felt like that Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah, he's like fine, but it's never, I mean, it's like what we talked about with like the characterization of Sonic. Where I'm just like, yeah, like he's fine, but like that's not the guy. That's not the Sonic that I was obsessed with when I was like a young Babir and a teenager. I think a lot of it has to do with the characterization more than the like voice. But I don't know, man. I think a lot about that time. I think a lot about when Ryan Drummond said that for Sonic Generations, they had him audition for Sonic again. I think about that a lot, where it's just like, man,
Ultimate victory.
what if? To me, Ryan Drummond is the guy, but like Jason Griffith by Unleashed is like, oh, that's the guy. Roger Craig Smith have just never. Roger Craig Smith's always sounded like an adult to me. Roger Craig Smith's always sounded like a full ass man. He doesn't sound like a Cartoon teenager. Jesus.
Not bad, not bad.
Jesus.
Too slow.
Man, I think I've missed every red ring. Do you think each stage, each of the DLC stages getting their, like, or sorry, each DLC getting their own stage, do you think they're also gonna have their own crossworld?
I'll catch up yet. I'll catch up yet.
Fuck you. Don't. Fuck you. Come on. I'm just a little horjog. I hate my life. I hate my life. I hate my life. Don't hit me. Why hit me? I'm just a little guy. Classic Shadow the Hedgehog quote. Oh man, yeah, this was a tremendous L. Wow, I might do this one again.
Now's my chance.
Unless I still pass Sonic.
Embarrassing.
I'm still technically winning. All right, we'll keep going. I do hope they add more crossworlds because it seems like it's not on the menu so far. Yeah, and it doesn't seem like there's a lot of them, is there? Jason in Unleashed, Secret Rings, and Black Knight is perfect. I would agree, but also I've only played Unleashed out of those. I've never played Secret Rings or Black Knight. Should I just play every Sonic game on stream? God, that Sonic model's so bad. Yikes. I hope someday Sonic the Hedgehog gets a good model. That'd be nice. I guess my one, like, I mean, who doesn't, what grown-ass white boy in his late 20s, what grown-ass Sonic fan white boy in his late 20s doesn't have a laundry list of dear Sonic team, I wish you would do this, but it would be nice if they made 3D models that had some swag on It would be nice if they made some 3D models that look like that good 2D art. That would go crazy. That would go, as the kids say, gummy hard. Oh, I ate the thing. Okay, cool. I didn't know if I could block with the Void Wisp. That's cool. Whoa, there's boost pads on the side. How the fuck do I get up there? I want to do like he do in the video game. Move. What is, if you had to pick one thing for Sonic Team to do the next Sonic game, one thing off of your laundry list of things Sonic Team should do, what's the one thing? Because I know mine, and it's a real, like, obvious one.
Disappear.
Mine is the one everyone wants. Mine's Chow Garden.
Never any doubt.
Man, the Chow Garden adds so much to those games. It makes them so replayable. I would kill.
Oh well, next time.
That's it? That's all you have to say? Okay. I would kill for a, like, really deep RPG Chow Garden.
Now you understand I am peak perfection.
I am peak. Now you understand I'm going to pee. Okay, so now what? I did all the Grand Prix. I won. I did it. I won. How? Wait. Okay, that's great. Jet. Sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, it is unlocked. Aqua Forest, I think I did online a bunch. Donpa Factory, I know I did once yesterday. I don't know if I've done Eggman Expo. It's exciting. Ooh. I really thought Donpa gets revealed to be Eggman at the end of Team Sonic Racing, so I'm kind of surprised.
Hey, Sonic! When did you get the racing stripes? Oops, you're just his boring doppelganger.
Your words are as hollow as your racing record. Step aside.
Oh my God! Jesus.
Go.
I don't know who won that interaction. Yeah, I love the Babylon Roads. like, they're not my favorite characters or whatever, but like, they're unique. They're unique characters that help justify a Sonic the Hedgehog racing game. And so I fucks with them. What? Why am I'm getting creamed right now?
This'll trip you up.
Yeah, this is from Riders, isn't it? What is this? Isn't this White Forest? Which I do, okay. Riders, I'm gonna get some hate for this. Riders, those games are not great. Riders 1 is kind of like overly convoluted in a way where I still don't really grasp how to get good at that game. And then Zero Gravity, they're like, oh, we made it too complex, let's strip it down. And then the game's just fucking boring. But goddamn, those games do have swag. At least that first Riders is swagged to the fucking gills and then some, dude. That game has style oozing out of every orifice. So I do kind of wish this game had a little bit more of that, but it's also better than Team Sonic Racing was. It has more style than that, so got their asses.
Never any doubt.
Oh, I raced through every Crossworld. That was the one Crossworld I hadn't seen. 2D renders for that game are still some of the best, 100%. And I like the designs in the game, like they're special models for that game. But the characters are kind of like a little bit lankier, and I like that. But they're also like accessorized,
Pure luck.
and I think they look dope. I hope this game gets skins, and if it does, I hope the riders' outfits are skins, because I would fuck with that. Amy's got a unique outfit that's cool. I think Rouge does too, but then like the Sonic and Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games kind of did her outfit again, but made her boobs bigger, and it was weird. Sorry, made her boobs bigger and more detailed to the point where it's like, huh? What? Oh, I whiffed that. Okay. Oh, am I gonna be able to catch up? I need that drill wisp bad. Hold on, we'll take the good shortcut. Get off the wall. I'm gonna be so fucked if I do a gadget play without like speed boost when you bump into an enemy and no losing rings when you hit a wall. I'm gonna be so fucked. Because that's like 95% of my gameplay style. Help me, Omochao. Help me, Omochao. Help me, Omochao. My wife left. I'm getting fucked. Alright, we're alright. We're okay. Maybe just barely, but just barely is better than narrowly. Oh, fuck. Fuck you! Oh, it's over. It's over. God wants me dead. Why am I not drifting? I'm holding RB and I'm not drifting. What the flip? Okay, give me something good to eat, please. That's pretty good.
What?
We'll take it. Uh-oh.
Maximum power.
No, please, please. No, you can't do this to me. We're fine. Get a load of this.
Ultimate victory.
We're okay. Chad, are you proud of me? Oh, okay. I haven't seen this stage at all. Those are the robots from Forces. Music's good. The ball! I reckon... Fuck, I just got fucked by the ball. Did I just see a Buzz Bomber? Oh, that's the, what is that, the Egg Dragoon? Oh, fuck, they got the Egg Dragoon? Whoa, wait, is this just like, hey, here's Eggman history? Because those are all robots. Oh, it's the Death Egg robot. Wowee! Uh-oh, I fucked up. Okay, that's fine.
Now's my chance.
The chance for what, dumbass?
This'll trip you up.
We'll go to this thing to hear what new egg robots are coming out. Yeah. That's so dope. That's such a good idea for a stage. They easily could have just done another Eggman Land thing. But making it like, here's the history of Eggman. You green bird bitch.
What?
Don't. Oh, fuck.
How is this happening?
The egg dragoon. He's dragooning. He's gooning. I always hated these, well, surprise, it's from Sonic Forces, so of course I hated it, but they're like not Death Egg robots from Forces. It's like, yeah, man, that's just the Death Egg robot, but you deleted the color. Why? Watching AI Tails taught me how, oh my god, how to have a fucking seizure. What was that? But what I'm supposed to be doing in those water sections. Because they were reusing assets. That game was made on the budget of 2 paper clips. Yeah, and it should have been made on the budget of 3, I think. I think if they took that game's budget and weren't doing the classic Sonic shit or the Avatar shit, they made one character and it was good. Probably could have helped them out a lot. I can't wait. I want the expose on Forces. I want the in like 15 years, I want the full development breakdown of how that shit happened.
I refuse to go down like this.
I'm not touching that. That's low-hanging fruit, and I'm better than that. So this stage is like a Toad's factory, okay?
Too slow.
Why did I do that? Why did I do that? What are you doing to me? Why?
Now's my chance.
Do you get to what? Do you unlock Donphan Kingdom? Fuck it, I'm a truck. Bitch, I'm a truck. I'm a truck. Okay, this stage I'm good at. Okay, but this stage I got kind of good at because of how many times we played it online. So, if I'm gonna make up for fuck ups, it's. Alright, okay, alright, we're really not proving my word. That's okay, because I know I got the big shortcut on lock. Watch this. This is going to take me to first place. We'll take third. I can rock with third. I just gotta get him. I just gotta get his ass. We can do it. We can get his ass. We can get him to go down. Oh my god. What? Come here. Come here, you're going down on me, buddy boy. Come here. Oh, I'm way off course. You're watching the NPC Tails just constantly do tricks made me go like, oh, that's what I'm supposed to be doing in the water sections. Oh, we got it. It's unlocked. It's unlocked. You love to see it. You just love to see
Never
it.
any doubt.
I can't believe I lost to that.
That! Why does it look like the Death Egg robot has a 5 o'clock shadow?
A foregone conclusion.
Can't believe I lost to that fucker. You won. Look, doesn't it look like the Death Egg robot is a 5 o'clock shadow? Oh. That's it? That's it?
It can't be over. I'm just warming up.
You unlock the secret Grand Prix. Well, it's not much of a secret when it's on the main menu, is it? Here we go. Fast like whoa. I hate this song. Why are we just watching Orbot and Cubot on date night? What is this? All right, well, this gives me time to take my meds. Sorry, Doc. Couldn't take my meds until I beat Sonic Racing Cross Worlds. This song fucking sucks. Dude, hold on. I take 7 pills. Like the 7 Chaos Emeralds. Me and the psych ward. The psych ward and the fucking attendees are like, oh, here comes the Master Emerald. Damn, the 7 Chaos Emeralds of stabilizing your mental health. Whoa. I'm gonna go crazy listening to this. Oh yeah, Wally Winger. Guys, shouts out Wally Winger. Can everyone in chat post your favorite Wally Winger role? Mine is the flower from Mario Wonder. Or was that Mick Winger? Fuck. And I think one of those two was also the voice of John in the Garfield show. John Arbuckle. Am I right about that? I might not be right about that. I think is it Mick Winger is the flower? Because I think Mick Winger he's the one who does the Jack Black impression. When they need Jack Black, but they can't get Jack Black, like for a bunch of Kung Fu Panda stuff, I think Mick Winger, who is the flower in Mario Wonder, I think plays him. They should have just got Jack Black for Mario Wonder. I would turn that game off immediately. If you fucking start that up, what's up? Hey, how's it going? I'm a talking flower. Hey, how's it going? Okay, but it actually would go kind of hard when you're doing those like musical timing levels, and if the flower started going like as you like jump on the beat, that would go hard actually. Never mind. I'm back on Jack Black. Put Jack Black in a Mario thing. Why haven't they done that before? Jack Black is gonna play Big the Cat in the 5th Sonic movie. Mark my words. Please, I want... there's nothing I want to be less true than that. You know who they should get to play Big the Cat? Get Bill Murray to play Big the Cat. Wouldn't that go hard? The fuck stage was this? I don't remember this shit. Who should play Big the Cat in the 5th Sonic movie? The 5th Sonic movie, which will be called Sonic Adventure. And what do they do for the 6th Sonic movie? You can't call it Adventure 2. You fuckers already did that one. Dumbasses. Sixth one will be called Sonic Heroes. Seventh one will be called Sonic Unleashed. And they'll do the Werehog. And then 8th one will be called Sonic for Hire. And they'll adapt the... Was that Dorkly? What's going on? This is going. I got bad news. Doug Bowser's retired from Nintendo. Doug Bowser's no longer president of Nintendo. So what's the fucking... So we're fucked. I'm sorry, what did Doug Bowser do as a time president of Nintendo? I don't really know what he did. I can't think of a single thing that Doug Bowser did. He didn't even host the directs. He didn't seem to publicly do much, from my observation. But hey, happy you know what? You know why he retired? This game came out. Isn't it weird? Hold on. Isn't it weird that Doug Bowser, president of Nintendo of America, retires the day Sonic Racing Crossworlds comes out and gets better reviews than Mario Kart World? Interesting. I wonder why. And I wonder what's going on there. And I wonder what's going on there. Get hired by Creepy Nuts. Oh fuck, this VOD's gonna get claimed, isn't it? Special thanks, NASA. Creepy Nuts music gets claimed on YouTube. This is real. So this VOD might be getting claimed. So if you're a VOD watcher, and you're like, damn, I liked this stream. How can I support this guy? Go to Twitch. Follow and subscribe on Twitch. Because even if I get monetization on this video, I ain't making a cent on this video. Because Creepy Nuts is going to make your money. Congratulations on conquering the Grand Prix. Secret Grand Prix. Mirror class, okay. No, I want that.
I expect great things from you.
I want Supersonic. By clearing all 7 main Grand Prix, the friendship section, raise your friendship level with your favorite characters? What the fuck are you saying to me? Reward for winning all 7 main Grand Prix tracks from the main courses. That's what I wanted! Oh shit, that's what I wanted! Okay, what is this friend? Wait, hold on. Nice. God, we're so close to figuring out whatever the hell happens when he touches the checkpoint. Grand Prix on mirror class. How do I want to unlock super speed though? Rival Buster. Yeah, I'm gonna bust in you. Friendships. You can now gift Donpa tickets. What the fuck are you saying to me? Oh, but we get titles. Oh. Oh. You don't have super speed? I don't think I've got the 200cc. Maybe I get it if I do the last Grand Prix. Here, Shadow, you can have half of my tickets. I love you, Shadow the Hedgehog. Please marry me.
Perfect.
Excuse me. Pardon. Okay, but I want that fucking art. You see that shit? We need more tickets, and I need them now. You didn't do 150? No, I did 100. Because I was scared. Okay, so I gotta do 150. Yeah, okay. Do we want Silver or Eggman? I want Eggman. You gotta do 150. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I will. Calm down. I will. Okay, please let Shadow call him Doctor. That's all I want. Well, Doctor, how about you suck your own dick? Break spine. Wow, it's the grayest level. They're calling this the grayest level ever put in a kart racer.
Competitors, isn't it? Join forces with me again and we'll crush all the opposition.
I don't need your help. You're just one more minor hurdle between me and victory.
In my head, Shadow hates Eggman a lot more than that. In my head, he'd straight up be like, remember when I fucking killed you? Well, Doctor, I've siphoned all the gas out of your car. And I've been slowly feeding it to you. I've been putting gasoline in your dehumidifier. Do they make humidifiers? What if I want to get sticky? Truck. What if I want my pussy moist? Can I buy a machine that does that? Oh, you fucking dick. Can I buy a robot that make my pussy juicy? How do I get robot make pussy wet? Shortcut. Wait, but I might have wanted that one though, because that could give me item and thing that I like. Oh, hey, get blue shelled, bitch. He should say, get a load of this. You guys ever just think about the final boss fight of Sonic's story in Sonic 06? And how it's like one of the worst designed boss fights anyone has ever made. Don't bomb me. He wants to bomb me so bad. Don't bomb me! Me when the girl I'm flirting with is an IDF.
Never any doubt.
All right, good. We might cut that one. The fucking VOD.
This is only a minor setback.
Yeah, see, he should be going, I can't believe this. I don't believe it. I had to explain to a lady a dildo that you can make shoot cum and why it does that. Kirby, this is the first message I'm reading from you today. Look, it's North Star Islands from Sonic Superstars. That's in the game? That's in the game, but not fucking Green Hill Zone? Sonic Superstars has more representation than Sonic 3 and Knuckles. Never forget what they took from you. Also, hi, Kirby. I get mad when I think about Superstars. Yeah, me too. Let's make a list of Sonic games that make us mad when we think about it. As grown-ass men, what Sonic game... You fucker. What Sonic game makes you the most mad when you think about it? Mine is Forces, I think.
White Cave.
Wide Awake Cave. You know what? Maybe there's a reason I didn't get invited to the Twitch Rivals tomorrow. I'm realizing now my brand might be problematic. Or, well, I shouldn't say problematic, but my brand might be, I might be a brand risk. Oh, you fucker. Get it off of me!
Maximum power. Denied.
You fucker. Don't think about it. God, they even have the fat fuck animals. Why would Sega do this? Why would they make a Sonic Superstars stage? Why don't they just spit directly in my face? Oh man, I almost had it. Jesus, I'm covering up the mini-map, but I had such an insane lead on them.
Never any doubt.
Kirby, how are you doing? Did I take all my pills? I hope I did. I don't remember. Team, it's Sonic Racing. Just jerk off and explode. It's Sonic Racing. Go ahead and stroke your chode. Guys, was that anything? Am I on to something with that one? Again, maybe there's a reason I didn't get invited to Twitch Rivals. They might not want me on the front page of Twitch.
I never thought I would come back here again.
So instead, I will be on the front page of Tyler TV. I'll be on the front page of Johnny Television. Did Shadow just comment on the stage? Yeah. Vector did that when I was in the Seaside Hill stage. Okay, so this game canonically takes place after Shadow Generations.
Random track. No, you fool. That was terrible.
See you next time.
It is funny to me that Charmy's voice, it's just Tails, but a little bit weirder. It's like almost indistinguishable from the classic Tails voice that she does in Generations. Like, I don't know, there's something really funny to me about that. How? How can he do these? Okay, we can still do this. This is still recoverable. How do I hold this for another cycle? Is it getting bigger? It does. Okay, all right, but this is the biggest it gets. Oh, see, I thought it was gonna explode on me. Oh, no, you can just cook it. Oh, you bitch! Vector the crocodile dies. Please give me something good. Like, that's good, but that's not what I need.
So much for your lead.
You bitch!
Finish.
Of course.
All right, I'm still winning. I need games to stop releasing now and to stop getting slated for February. What video games are there? What video games are there that are better than this? None. Hades 2, more like Hades poo. Pac-Man World 2 repack, more like Pac-Man World poo reshat. What else is out?
Won't accept defeat. I won't.
I don't think there's any other video games. Silent Hill F, more like Silent Hill fart. That's a wall. Just drove straight into it. Just wanted to see. Just wanted to take a looky-loo and see. Just gonna have a little looky-loo. Team Sonic Racing. Hey, I did watch the State of Play when I got home from work last night. That shit sucked. I watched that thing because I'm like, oh, like, yeah, I guess I want to see Wolverine. And then the Wolverine shit was like the same 5 seconds of footage as like people sat around going like, it's putting Wolverine in a video game is really allows you to feel like Wolverine. There's a big responsibility to making Wolverine. I think Wolverine is about bringing people together And the power of Wolverine will make everything, everyone will be happy. It was all this like self-important corpo bullshit speak. And then there like wasn't even like, okay, but like what kind of game is it? What is it? Like, yeah, you're gonna be able to kill people. That's cool. What kind of fucking video game is it? I think the Wolverine fans are really gonna be able to play this and just feel for the first time ever like they're like Wolverine is them and there is the Wolverine. And the Wolverine is us and we are the Wolverine. And I think the artistry that you're gonna see here, I think, you know, our texture artists have been working on how to make the most realistic brick wall you've ever seen. And I think when you see this brick wall, I think you're gonna say to yourself, you know, wow. You can really feel the responsibility of this brick wall, of making the texture of this brick wall look as realistic as possible. It was such a fucking crock of shit that it actively made me be like, all right, I don't care about this game. Never mind. I don't give a fuck anymore. I could not give less of a shit. I still have not played Spider-Man 2 because everyone told me that the story's really bad, and I'm like, okay, I'll wait for it to be like $10. And yeah, I don't know. Everything in that state of play, I was like, good night, bye-bye. Sorrows, couldn't give less of a shit about Sorrows. No offense. Sorry, but could not give less of a shit about that. I don't know what I don't even know what else was it. The Mega Man was cool. Mega Man was cool. There's that new game from
Now you understand.
ZA/UM, the Disco publisher, the Disco company, except for all the Skin for Sage. All the devs who worked on Disco are long gone, but that game was aping Disco so bad, and I'm like, yeah, fuck that. I ain't touching that shit. Is that it? Did I just get? I think I just got them all. Okay, so I got to do it 150. Lucas, is there anything for like doing mirror mode? Well, I guess there is, isn't there? But and then there's you get supersonic for beating all your rivals. That's fine. It is too fucking hot in this room. Holy hell, it is too hot in this room. I have to open a door. It's too hot. I'm legitimately like dripping sweat. It's so hot in this room. Hold on. Okay, we'll see if that helps any. The AC was off and the fan was off. So it's 76 degrees in my apartment, which sounds nice. 76, that's not bad. But this room is always like 10 degrees hotter when I'm streaming. So it's probably like 80 degrees in here. 80 plus. And I'm sweating, man. Hi, Rain. Hi, my good friend Rain. I buy things. I just want to give all my tickets to my friend Shadow the Hedgehog. I guess let's do it. We'll just buy. Just buy straight across. Now we're working on that 100% shit. Gadgets for race tactics. Okay. What does that mean? Kit for getting more rings and accelerating with them. Nothing. Reducing the impact of taking damage. Kit for becoming invincible with charged level 4 boosts. Now that's interesting. Boosting when colliding with other machines. Kit for getting a small boost of rings with the charge boost. I don't know how to kit, man. I don't know how to kit. I haven't learned to properly kit. I have to be honest with you. But okay, so I do use a handling. So handling's gonna go way up, but speed takes a huge dive, right? Hold on. So what can I do to boost my speed to kind of... Speed Tuner 2 brings it up a little bit. Fuck it, can I... Okay. We can stack the speed tuners. Kind of seems stupid. Okay, and then where's the one? Where's the one for not losing rings when I hit a wall? Bumper guard. Okay, this is a shitty build. Invincible with charge level 4s. Boost my speed. And then the bumper guard. This is a shitty build. There's no way this is a good build. On my life, this is not a good build, but okay, can I put my cool shadow decal? Where is this? Oh, wait, hold on. Big ideas cooking. Hold on. How do I delete, remove? Okay, all right. Big ideas cooking. Watch this. Oh, decals can't be stacked? Shit, I was gonna put I was gonna put the little shadow symbol over Sonic's head. So it's like shadow graffitied on top of it. It's like, no, the Don Quixote penguin is my friend. Aw, man. Okay, can I at least put a cool decal on the side of the car? No, only the front. What about the rear? Probably not. Huh? No. They should let you put something on the side of the car. Okay, hold on, but I can put shadows. Yeah. That kind of goes hard as fuck. The problem is getting it symmetrical. Is that? No, it's slightly. He's got to come up a little. Shit. No, maybe not. Damn, this is gonna be a bitch, actually, to do. But it's gonna look fucking hard as hell when I can pull it off. What if we just set it like that? So that his second spike connects with the bottom of the line. Do I like that, though? I don't really like that. What about nose? Come on. Bring this one like up. Yeah, that kind of goes hard as fuck. This is a cool system. Okay, and then now we're gonna put the Alienware logo. And now Razor. Oh, no, cancel. No, I'll cancel. Oh. That does go kind of fucking hard, though. Who here in chat is pogging? Show hands. Oh, he's so close to the checkpoint. I just want to know. Okay, win all Grand Prix on Mirror Class. Okay. Defeat all rivals. Okay. I want to attack item backwards, hit someone 10 times. Go through 5 shortcut rings. Oh, okay. Using the level 1 quick charge gadget, perform a level 1 drift boost 10 times. Using charge jump mobility up gadget, perform 10 charge jumps. Oh, okay. That seems easy. Win in a group match by using a race bonus. What does that mean? Win 10 times with the double team shootout rules. Oh, fuck, Lucas. We gotta grind these. Win against any max level rival team. That actually seems hard. Oh, defeat all rival teams and then defeat them all again. Time trial. Collect all course icon decals. Okay. Obtain a racer skin of any AI racer. Okay. What should I do now? I don't know what to do with my life now. Just throw up. Cry myself to sleep? I don't know. Whoa. Whoa, 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 wait. Skins being on characters and you select the character and then select their skin? What a concept. What an idea. No one has ever thought of that before. What should I do? Like, I gotta do 150cc. I gotta do mirror mode. I gotta do race park. Shit. But I also kind of just want to play online. Fuck it. Yeah, let's Silver the Hedgehog. I think it'd be funny. Yeah, let's see how this fucking setup goes. It's gonna go bad. It's not gonna be good. Kirby, are you gonna be around tomorrow or do you work tomorrow? Because I need you to look at, I have a gaping flesh wound I need you to look at.
You may be skilled and powerful, but so am I. I won't let you pass me by so easily.
Do your best, or your worst. It doesn't matter. I'm still the ultimate life form and superior racer.
Okay, that kind of felt generic. I work tomorrow. Shit. Quit. If you quit, I'll play Metal Gear Solid on stream tomorrow. Oh, I don't have the, you get a boost when you smack into the fellers. Hold on. This is stupid. Oh, this is such a bad rig. Why would I not get the one that make, I should have filled this with quick charges. Oh, I'm a moron. Leave. Become invincible when using a charge level 4. Well, that's what this one does, right? But oh, does this not unlock level 4 boosts? That would be stupid. Oh, that's a 2 cost? There's no way, right? Just humor me for a second. Okay, what gadgets marked as invalid? Okay, these are all valid. Great. These are all fine. Great. I just want to see if this works. Surely level 4 charges are unlocked. But yeah, I need to get a level 4 now. Okay, it does unlock a 4. Okay. I was like, surely though. Because that'd be real fucking dumb. It's just really hard to get that 4. I just want to see. I feel like that'd be really good. I just need to know what the kit is. I gotta build a kit. What can I replace this with? I don't know. I need the Reddit. Oh. Okay, hold on. Wait, okay. A kit that makes the drift gauge fill faster. Okay. I still feel like this is stupid.
Can't do.
Like I can see the through line. I can see how this is gonna work, but I still feel like this is not an optimal. Shut up. Oh, you can't skip these. Oh, yes, you can. I'm just wrong. Right, no boost for crashing into enemies.
Now's my chance. It should have been styled after me.
Still takes a long time to get to 4.
What are you doing?
Driving. Driving my widow car. I'm stuck. Please, I'm stuck.
You're beaten, Savok. Ultimate mistake, Shadow.
Chad, I really like this game.
Maximum power.
This is gonna beat Death Stranding 2 as my game of the year.
Unleash.
Is this what it's like to enjoy a video game? Oh, fuck, I almost got that. Easy. This is not a bad kit, I don't think. I think this is a functional kit.
I can still fix this.
Hey, get fixed. Get your nuts snipped off, you fucker. Knew you liked it a lot when you were scrolling through challenges. Yeah, I mean, I was looking at the achievement list last night. Like, I could 100% this. It's gonna take some time. It's no Sonic Generations. That I can 100% in about 2 days, but. Well, 2 days. That I can 100% in about maybe. I think this most recent 100% took me like. I think my save file was like 22 hours, but how much of that was like streaming and this and that and dicking around, I don't know, but.
Too slow.
Good game. Fuck. It's a bad game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Kill Tails. My name is Shadow the Hedgehog, and I'm going to kill Tails.
I say we go this way.
Fuck. I got the reaction time of an amoeba. Fuck. I got a single-celled organism brain. Okay, I've done kind of rough on this one, but it's okay. We can still clinch this.
Too slow.
I am playing on 150cc, right? Surely I chose the correct game mode, right? This is just gonna be embarrassing. I mean, I guess it's still progress because we still would have beaten silver. Fuck. If we just lost to silver.
Embarrassing.
This is not the right game mode. This is the incorrect game mode. Log off. Log off. Log off, Grandpa. You chose the wrong game mode. Oh, it was the right game mode. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. See, this is why you should put numbers on these things. Whoops. All right. Let's God, I don't want to do that shit again. Hold on. Chat, what should I do? Kind of want to do online, maybe. Oh, the checkpoint. 25%. That wasn't all of it. Burning rubber. I want experienced. And then I want to give... Well, no, he doesn't want to. He hates me. What do I want to do? Let's go online. Let's try out my new thing online. Rank up to get rewards. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Can you make Sonic rip a fat vape cloud? No. Why are there so many Mikus in this room? How many Mikus do I see? How many Mikus are gonna be my friend? Smile. Oh, I wish I was an Oscar Mayer Miku. Something that I'd really like to be. Cause if I was an Oscar Mayer Miku, everyone would say disparaging remarks about me. You ever just wish someone would call you a slur? Sorry. Sorry, that was an inside thought. Miku, dude, Miku just pushed me off the track. I just got fucking bullied by Hatsune Miku. Are you kidding? the drink. Why am I getting bullied by Mikus? Stop, Miku. I'm sorry, Miku. The Mikus keep just running me off the track. Why? I'm sorry, Miku.
Now's my chance. Sloppy.
All just back for more action.
Maximum power.
Would you rather be bullied by Hatsune Miku or Shadow the Hedgehog? I feel like Miku bullying would be like, I feel like if Hatsune Miku bullied me, that would be like really emotionally disturbing to me. Like that would be like, how could she do that? It's Hatsune Miku. She's so nice. But I feel like if Shadow the Hedgehog bullied me, I'd be like, he's just joking around. That's how he shows that he likes me.
All just back for more action.
I just got bullied by a Miku again in the same spot again. See ya. Did I just steal first? Please tell me I just stole first from that Silver the Hedgehog player. Please tell me I'm a piece of shit. No, of course a Miku won. What do you mean? Where was the Miku?
Good.
The fuck are you talking about? I have heard from Twitter.com. Twitter.com did tell me that Miku players are to be feared. That Miku players do tend to be a cut above.
Hello.
And I'm scared about that. Hey, this just came up on my Facebook Marketplace. Should I buy this? This is the Minecrafter's Bible. Contains 24 pages of unofficial content for gamers and fans. 24 pages. Holy shit. I don't know if I could finish that. They went $40 for that. Should I buy that?
Now's my chance.
Who just made that noise in my left ear? Oh, it was Dark Child. Never mind.
Gun arsenal reduced to a showpiece.
You know who would love this game if he was still alive? Real talk. Jimmy Carter. Bitch. What the fuck is happening? That one was on me. I drove straight into that dino toe. I drove straight into that dino tootsie. Yo dino tootsie. You'd rather be stepped on by a dinosaur or crushed by a building? I can't get these fours. I'm not a good enough driftman to get the fours going. Sad day. Maybe we could have had it there. We'll never know. Yes, some dreams come true. And yes, some dreams fall through. All right, which Miku player got first place this time?
Embarrassing.
Go ahead, show me. Oh, okay. No Mikus. Miku-less lobby. All Mikos have been erased.
Good.
All Mikus have been compromised to a permanent end. God, Osama bin Laden would have liked this game. They should put that on the box. Are you more or less likely to buy a product if on the packaging it says Osama bin Laden loved this?
Hello. Hi.
Hey!
What's the thumbs up for? How do you give thumbs up? Is this a Strand type game? How do I give a thumbs up? Sonic game where Sonic has to slowly walk emeralds across the world. Check out Sonic Labyrinth on the Game Gear.
Go.
Sonic goes to sleep. This is the lore. Sonic goes to sleep. And Robotnik put cement in his shoes. And now Sonic has to walk across the levels to collect keys. Why? Why make that video game? You should unmake that video game. Unmake this game. Nintendo, unmake this game. Nintendo, fire this man. Maybe that's what happened to Doug Bowser. This game came out after Mario Kart World has the reception it did in the West, and they got the call. Nintendo, fire this man. Nintendo, fire this man. Now he's gone. I actually just before stream, I just got done watching. Did you know Gaming made like an hour plus long little documentary about Gunpei Yokoi? And I'm like, you know what? Like, I don't know a ton about him. I'll watch that. And it was all right. It was fun, but it's in my head. The existence of Shigeru Miyamoto in modern times scares me. Nintendo of like the 80s and 90s and Nintendo of today seem like such wildly different companies in terms of like their goals and
Hello Moon and
morals.
3 viewers just
And
showed up
so,
at my house.
Like the idea of Shigeru Miyamoto existing terrifies me. Pelly, what do you think? Pelly Raiders, are you scared of Super Mario creator Shigeru Miyamoto? Does he fill you with fear? Or is that just me? Did I just finish last place? Legally, they have to give me first because I got rated. And I have to look good to the new viewers so they subscribe because it's September. September's almost up, guys. Deals on subs and gift subs, you're almost, that's free money. If you're not if you don't subscribe this month, you're throwing away money. I'm gonna tell you that. But thank you for the raid, Pelly. What did you play today, Pelly? I didn't even see. 5th place. Listen, man, I got fucked there at the end. Don't judge me. Look, I got 1 like. How many likes does Lucas have? Probably none. Probably something stupid.
Hello.
All right, I'm gonna give a like to not to the Miku player. I'll never give a like to a Miku player. Yeah, I don't know. No one's as pimp as me, so no likes today. Talking and then a little bit of rematch. What is rematch? What is rematch and have they considered giving it a memorable name? Free to play soccer game. Oh, okay. It is not free to play. It's $30. Oh, okay. I'm rushing off to put it on the Steam wish list right now, baby. Pelly, you should buy this game when it's not $70. For real. When this game gets to like 20 bucks, you should buy this because it's like Team Sonic Racing. Sorry, no, it's not. It's like Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing, but if the online was a little bit more functional in modern day. Yeah, I can't recommend. I told my brother this, like, I don't think I recommend this game for like 70 bucks, or in my case, it was like 90 bucks. I don't think I'd recommend it for that if you're not like a kart racing person or a Sonic person. But when it gets cheaper, it's definitely like Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing is the best kart racer not made by John Nintendo. And I think this has the legs on it. With enough time, this might usurp that. In a way where like I'm gonna psyop and convince everyone to buy this game at some point. Though saying that, like I could convince our friends to actually play games together is a farce, but the dream's there. Do you have Miku? What? You're gonna have to rephrase that question. The anime? Oh. Miku is a free character. Miku's free DLC. Everyone has Miku. I just refuse to play as her. Why would I play as Hatsune Miku in a game where I could play as Shadow the Hedgehog? Why would I play as Hatsune Miku? Is like, she's not bottom of the list for me. I'd rather play her than like what's his name? Zaxxon or whatever. Tarkov. I'd rather play her than any of the Lost World characters, but she's still pretty low on the list of characters I want to play. But she at least has voice lines, so you gotta give her that.
Embarrassing.
Yeah, because she's taken... Nice, dude. Obtain all rewards granted by race count. What the fuck does that achievement mean? Granted by race count? What is race count? What's race count? The hell is a race count? I mean, thanks for the achievement, boss, but dude, there's a cool the cart customization's fun. You can put decals on your car and the system's pretty good. She's taken by me as a tutor-student sort of pair. Okay, that's a horrible power dynamic.
Hey!
That's a problematic power dynamic.
Let's go.
No. I want to say hello.
Yes!
Look at the guy in the back playing Charmy in the Pimp Mobile. Gonna go watch Weapons 2025 starring Julia Garner. Okay. All right. I'll be back later. You better be here. Brother, stream's ending in 12 minutes. You better put that movie on 6 times speed. Actually, knowing you would do that and watch it in 20-minute increments on an iPad in a train. On the subway. One earbud in connected to the iPad, one earbud in connected to your phone that is playing Hatsune Miku Black Midis. Watch it on a forklift at work. Okay, no, that one's actually cool. That's actually the way movies are intended to be watched. I'm actually with you on that one. Bitch. Please, I need that 4. I'm snaking so fucking hard right now. Uh-oh. I've learned how to snake properly. I will snake. Oh, God. That's really what they want you to do, huh? That probably is optimal play for this gear set. Is to just fucking snake. Oh, man. I thought maybe I could upgrade the speed of the drift gauge enough that I wouldn't have to snake, but I absolutely need to snake. Oh, okay. The snaking thing's going really good for me too. Kill this guy. Kill pelvic pisses or whatever that guy's name was. Whoa. Losing rings when you hit another car is stupid. It's a fucking racing game, Sonic Team. There's gonna be other cars on the track. I shouldn't be penalized for that.
Finish!
Unacceptable.
Sixth place is not unacceptable. You need to grow up. You gotta get a grip, bud.
Good.
Oh, yeah. Okay, race count is after okay, so I unlocked everything. Damn, that's sad. I'm ready to cry. Excited for Horizon 6. I played a lot of Horizon 5 this year. Zero Dawn? They made 6 of those? There's 6 of them? First up.
Good.
Why is everyone driving the Shadow Whip? Not enough people are customizing their cars. I'm realizing a lot of people are just choosing the stock cars instead of fucking around. It's funny that YouTube gave me an ad for Forza 6 an hour before the announcement while I watched Germa watch commercials. Did they announce a Forza 6? I thought they weren't making Forza games anymore. I thought they were only gonna make like Forza Horizon games anymore. If that's not true, what am I thinking? Forza Horizon 6. Oh, there's 6 of those? I thought there was like 2 of them. Yeah, eat shit, Miku. First place Miku player dies by the hands of Shadow the Hedgehog. Life is good again. There's a reason to live once more. Imagine hacking this game to win. You know what I mean? Like, imagine cheating at that. Like, you know, like, what kind of... There's, like, a level of, like, pussy bitch you have to be to cheat at Sonic Racing. Oh, fuck. Uh-oh. 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 Really could have used that invincibility 35 seconds ago. Really could have used that right about now. Okay, that's all right. We're still holding one. We're still holding our ones. We're still raising our meningus and holding our ones. just crashing into every wall imaginable. Why? Whoever this Miku player is that I pissed off is paying like astute observation of when I invince a slide. They know what I'm up to. All right, I'll take third. Third's not bad.
Of course. Good.
We're so close. What time is it? Okay, I'll do one more. And then tomorrow I'll probably do a big long stream, I think. Is what I'm thinking. That, you know, because I don't work Saturday. So tomorrow I'll get off work. I'll get like a pizza or something. And I'll play Sonic. And I'll smoke crack live on stream. I'll play Sonic Racing and smoke crack. We just did the stage. Are you fucking kidding me? Was that username 1996 Honda Civic? It's Sonic Racing. I really miss my wife. It's Sonic Racing. See, I want that fucking however the hell I go about getting the excavator so I can do tractor build for Mario Kart World again. I gotta get that shit. I really hate that you lose rings when another racer hits you. That pisses me off so bad. I mean, it's like 2 rings, but I'm getting bullied over it. Look, I'm getting bullied by the werehog. All right, now we're friends, actually. The snaking is way easier in this game. Truck. Why is there a power-up that just turns you into a truck? Have I missed the Sonic lore about the big truck? It'd be one thing if it turns you into the gun truck, but like, how do you just turn into a big truck? I love that he makes the same sounds he did in Sonic Adventure 2. It's like hearing an old friend moan deeply into your ears. Oh no! No! We were doing so good. Oh, choke at the last second. That's so unfortunate.
Embarrassing.
We would have gotten first. We would have cleared on a first. Okay, but C- rank.
Showing.
Ooh, an aura. Ooh. Ooh. It's Sonic Racing. I really miss my wife. It's Sonic Racing. Whoa, that looks like shit. Why my car look like this? See, now this would go hard. This would go hard. Do I have to buy? Yeah. Oh, I only have to buy this one. There we go. Cool. God, I do kind of like that little lady bat. Look at the way. Yeah. Dude, that does kind of go hard. Acceleration up. Look how bad my speed is. Is my speed literally 3? Bro, your car is going 0 miles an hour. Yeah, it doesn't seem to matter too much. I guess I'm good. Speed negative. Speed 0. All right, well, hold on. Is Lucas playing? Is he on right now? Player icon. Can I get a new player icon? Look at this metal Sonic icon. That goes hard as fuck. I want to make my icon Maria. I want to make my icon Chip. Whose icon is Mephiles? Where you at? Where's the Bio Lizard icon? Give me that. Oh, a Sonic Shoe, Shadow Shoe, Egg. I do think Chaos as an icon. I think that's the way to go. Fair play points. Yeah, I maxed out on fair play. I'm a good boy. All right, chat. Well, that's the stream. Technical gadgets. Oh, hold on. Well, drifting and landform charging speed increases, but the chances of sliding out also increase. Fill level 1 of the gauge once when doing a counter drift in landform. Fill 1 level of the gauge. Okay, so if you counter drift, so if I snake it, that's an instant 1 level up. That's interesting. Oh, wait, my speed's... Okay, my car... We're fine on speed. My car is 23. With my gadget plate. Without the gadget plate, yeah, my speed is 3. See, here it's more normal. Which I guess I should just be doing something closer to this one, but I like this one. This one's teaching me how to drift. I hate this wind aura effect though. This looks stupid. Looks like he's farting in his car. All right, well, that's the stream. I'm gonna go die now. I'll be back tomorrow unless work is so bad that my brain explodes. But otherwise, I'll be back tomorrow and we'll probably play more of this, honestly. But we'll see. I might change it up tomorrow. You never know. Could happen. It won't happen.